Today we will be making bulgur wheat salad. For this, the ingredients are 1 cup of bulgur wheat. This is also called as boiled crack wheat. 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So to start with the process, we will just take a pan and roast this bulgur wheat. So in the pan goes 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I have kept the flame to medium high and I will be adding in the bulgur wheat now. We will be just sauteing this for 3 minutes. After roasting for 3 minutes, you can see the color has changed a bit. It's turned to golden brown. We will be adding in the salt. This is 1 teaspoon of salt and just stir it around. At this point, you may add in some stock cube or stock to the mixture. I'll be adding in 1 cup of water. See, the mixture is come to a boil now. We will just put the lid on and off the gas and keep it for 10 minutes. The bulgur wheat is cooked and it's become nice and fluffy. We'll just transfer this to a bowl and keep it for cooling a bit, and I will explain to you the other ingredients for the salad. So these are the ingredients for our salad. This is half a cup of chickpeas, boiled chickpeas, half a cup of cooked corn, or you may use canned ones for both of these. I have just taken a teaspoon of salt. We will use it accordingly later. We will see how much we need to use it. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, half a cup of beans. These are boiled as well. I've just kept them for 6 minutes and I've boiled them. This is a 1/4 cup of coriander leaves chopped, half a cup of yellow bell pepper, half a cup of orange bell pepper, half a cup of red bell pepper, lime juice, a tablespoon of olive oil and some oregano, a pinch of oregano as well. So we will move to our salad bowl. So let's start by adding in all the ingredients. We will add in the boiled chickpeas, the corn, the bell peppers, the beans and the red bell peppers. We'll be adding in our bulgur wheat, which is cooled a bit. Adding in our pepper, lime juice, olive oil, pinch of oregano, coriander. Just mix this well. Just give it a taste to check for the salt, as we had already added salt in our bulgur wheat. I'll be adding in half a teaspoon of more salt, more lime. This is perfect. It looks amazing with different colors and the textures. It's a great salad for summers or for any occasion. You can serve this with multiple sides and it's very healthy as well. So do enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe and press the notification bell.